If you're dry camping and you don't want to start the generator up to watch a little TV, you do have an option with an inverter. And they come in a variety of different sizes. But if you just want to do the TV, the VCR, or DVD player like that, this 130 watt model is very easy to install and will power that. You simply run your two feeds here into a battery source, the 12 volt battery like you would have in your house system right here. Plug this into an outlet. When you are plugged into electricity, you don't want to always have to use the inverter and the house batteries. So when you're plugged in, it's going to run through here, basically pass through and provide the TV. When you don't have power, it'll come through this system. You'll see a little light coming on right here. It's got a GFCI, and we'll simply plug your TV and your DVD player back here, and it will sense the power. When this goes off, you'll have enough 12 volt power to power your TV and VCR.